Welcome to Estero Desktop Repair Service. Our expert technicians in Estero, Florida are ready to tackle all your desktop repair needs. We are your trusted local solution, conveniently located in Estero, Florida. We offer in-home and office visits for all your computer repair needs. Our services include hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, virus removal, and system upgrades. Our skilled technicians ensure your computer is running smoothly and efficiently. Why choose us? We provide fast, reliable service with competitive pricing. Our experienced technicians are dedicated to delivering top-notch solutions for your desktop issues. We offer affordable and transparent pricing. Get a quote from Estero Desktop Repair Service today by calling 239-421-8187. No hidden fees, just honest estimates. Here's how it works. Call to schedule an appointment, and we come to you. Our technicians provide fast and efficient repairs right at your location. Have questions about costs? We provide upfront estimates with no hidden fees, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. We welcome both businesses and home users. Whether it's a personal or business desktop, we have you covered. We proudly serve Estero, Florida and beyond, bringing reliable desktop repair services right to your door. Ready to fix your desktop? Call 239-421-8187 or visit esterodesktoprepairservice.com today.